All right, so we just have a great session here with Dr. Ike talking about the power of association, right? Can you share a little bit? There's so many people in our company. You came to our office not too long ago, and we've been watching your video over and over again. But today the message was really powerful, like the power of the association. Can you share one or two message for people back home?
Well, one of the things that we talked about today was image rub, and it's a phrase that I picked up from a gentleman named Trip Cathy who started Chick-fil-A, and he talked about how everybody that you come in contact with, your image is going to rub off on them, and their image is going to rub off on you, and why you should be so careful about who you do business with, who you bring into your organization, because you are going to rub off on each other. And then we talked about how to have some irresistible influence, right? And about when you're a high trust individual, when you share things like your knowledge, your network, and you share compassion with people, it lifts the level of trust. And when you have great trust in an organization, you can do so many things so much faster and smoother when there's high trust in an organization.
Wow, that's really powerful. Who we associate with matters, right? It's called the rub image.
Image rub, that's right. Show me your 5 best friends and I'll show you what your future's going to be.
Right, so we are here hanging out with Dr. Ike here, learning all about
Rudy, my buddy.
Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
God bless you.